Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to look at the difference between pass by address and pass by value. In order to show this one, I'm going to create two functions right here. So let's go ahead and create the first one, and I'm going to call this one as pass by value, and inside the bracket I'm going to introduce an integer. Let's call this one I, and I'm setting a value for this I. Let's set some number. Let's say this is integer I. Let's put I is equal to 99. Okay, the next thing is we have to type a return right here, return, and then the next I'm going to create another function to show the pass by address, void pass by address. And to show the pass by address we have to create a pointer. Pointer is for point to the memory address. So here we have to put integer and a pointer right here, I, and inside of this function I'm going to set a number for this one. Now whenever we do the equate a number, we have to do the dereference, because for pointer we have to do the dereference. That's pointer I right here, and let's equalize this one to some number, let's say 64, and then we have to write a return. Okay, now to show this one I'm going to the main function. In the main function I'm going to introduce, let's say integer, let's say coffee. I'm going to name it as coffee, and let's equalize this one to some number, let's say 20. Okay, so first I'm going to call pass by value function, pass by value function. So here I'm going to call coffee, and then the next thing is we are going to printf what is the values. So printf statement, in this printf statement I'm going to say pass by value, coffee is now %d \n, and then whatever the value stored in coffee. Okay, so this is for the first one. Now this is to show pass by value. Now the next thing is we have to show pass by address. So I'm just going to copy and change the names, copy paste it right here, and this one is pass by address, and here we have to toss in the memory address to the function. So what we do, we put an ampersand for the coffee. Okay, we put an ampersand, and the printf statement pass by address, coffee is now %dn and coffee. Okay, and also I have to put a return 0 right here, return 0. Now let's go ahead and run this one. I hope there's no syntax error. Okay, I have to do the prototyping, because whenever we create a function we have to do the prototyping on top. Let's go ahead and do that. Paste it right here and semicolon. Paste this one also right here and semicolon. Okay, now let's see the difference between pass by address and pass by value. Okay, something wrong. Pass by address ampersand coffee. Let's see what's the problem. Pass by address ampersand coffee. It says integer. Let me double check everything. White, and this one is correct, this one is correct. Integer coffee is equal to 20. Pass by value is okay. Pass by address is good. Passing the address and coffee, return 0. Everything looks good. Okay, I made a spelling mistake. That's the thing. Address should be S. Okay, let me run this one again. Okay, now it's showing this one. So here you can see pass by value is coffee is now 20, and pass by address coffee is now 64. Here we have called this function pass by value function, and you can see at pass by value function we have equate this I to 99, but it didn't show up here. The reason is whenever we do the pass by value, what's going to happen is this coffee is going to be replaced with whatever the value we have given right here. This 20 will be replaced right here. So this is actually 20, and then that 20 goes here, right? It doesn't, this is not going to be touched. This is, the 20 will remain here. That's why we are getting 20 as the printf statement. And for pass by address, what's happening is when you do the pass by address, this is going to point to the memory address. It's right here, and then from that it's going to equate that one to 64 and printing it right here. And that's the difference between pass by address and pass by value. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. See you next time.